Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. I'm back at Premier Detailing in Export, PA. After my cross-country trip, brought it back to go over the paint. We're going to do a detail clean on it, and Alan's going to talk about ceramic coating care. How do you care for your ceramic coating? So we're going to go over the car, look at it, and give you some tips. Stay tuned.
Okay, yeah, Marco put about 8,000 miles in the vehicle between the time that we coated it and this first cleaning from us. During that time, he just maintained it with a rinseless wash technique that we showed him how to do. After a while, a film of dirt, and you can actually see it here pretty well, film of dirt will build up on the vehicle and have to be properly and safely removed and then decontaminated. So standard procedure after a couple thousand miles or so much driving is to bring it back in. We wash it, decontaminate it, and then we put a sealant on top of the coating just to maintain the hydrophobic abilities of the coating, to extend the durability, and to aid in ease of cleaning.
So the dirtiest part of the car was the wheels, and the first step is just using soap and water, since they are coated, just to get the majority of the dirt off. And then followed, we're going to use an Iron X to remove some of the brake dust.
All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, after we take care of the wheels, is rinse the vehicle and knock the loose layer of dirt off of it. Being that it's coated, it will resist a lot of the dirt and debris that collected on it. And we want to remove that off the paint before we touch a wash mitt or a sponge to it. What the rinseless wash is going to do is safely and efficiently pull the dirt off the paint. And we're using, like I said, a sponge. It's very, very soft. It has channels cut into it, so it can safely pull the dirt off the paint. After the vehicle's rinseless washed or the panel's rinseless washed, we use a sealant that's compatible with the ceramic coating, and we dry the vehicle using the sealant. That's what's called a topper, and it's going to just maintain the protection on the vehicle and keep up the gloss and hydrophobic effect.
So really, that's all there's to it. It's not that hard to maintain a ceramic coated car, and that's the purpose of it. You don't have to wax it, and it's easier to wash. And I really appreciated it on the trip where I could do a quick wash with the rinseless wash to clean the bugs off easily and just make it look good again. And I didn't have to spend hours doing it. So the coating held up great in over 8,000 miles, and that's over a year's worth of driving for most people. So again, I really want to thank Alan and Premier Detailing for taking care of my car. I'll put all of their info below. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.